Yo guys, help me hit my goal of 1,000 likes on this video. It's a dream of mine. I'd love to know what country you're watching from.